Okay, we're going to go through and create a quick drum beat out of drum loops. We're going to use the DoD 139 beat per minute file that's above. Let's go ahead and grab a verse, a fill, and a, let's say, chorus crash. Okay, we come in, we see it ain't lined up. They're lined up with each other because they're 139, but they're not lined up here on the ruler. What we need to do here is go up here into your metronome, and type in 139. And then come down here to the ruler and right click. You want to select bars and beats. Watch the end here when I select it. And you'll see we have the 2-second measure lined up. It'll line up to it now. Now we can come down here and move this and try to do it by hand. Eyeball it and zoom in and out and everything. Easier ways to use the snap to grid feature by clicking this button here. Now as I drag it along, I'll hit every subdivision of the measure and they'll line right up. Let's get this out a little bit. Move this out. And we can see this is already an odd length. So we're going to go ahead and shorten this back to 4. And as you can tell, line right up. And we're going to set our marker there. Turn cycle on and give it a listen. Okay, now say I wanted this to be the regular length, okay, but I don't want this whole fill. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come up here and do Control C, set our marker to, and Control V, which will paste that part over. Now I want the first part of this fill, so I'm going to drag this up to the halfway mark, and we'll scroll that one back. And then we'll do the same with this one to line it up. With the snap to grid feature, they line right up. Now we're still a little oddball here, but that's alright because we're going to fix that in a second. I want to come out here, set our marker there. I want to take this fill now and copy it. And we'll put it on the 5 mark. Okay. And then we'll take only half of this. Do the same thing, Control 5 and B, and we'll only take half of this now. What we're going to do is take the second half, skip the crash, come back out here. Oops. Would help if I would pay attention to what I'm doing here. This back to 6. Alright, let's try that. And that's all there is to it. If you know your beat per minute, use the snap to grid feature. Make sure you have bars and beats selected. Right click on the ruler and select it, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps.